Today we are going to see about latex allergy. What is natural rubber latex? Natural rubber latex comes from the sap of the rubber tree, Heva brasiliensis, found in Africa and Southeast Asia. Latex allergy is a reaction to products made with latex and developed in person who becomes allergic to proteins contained in natural rubber latex. Latex allergy may cause itchy skin and hives or even anaphylaxis, a potentially life-threatening condition that can cause throat swelling and severe difficult breathing. Your doctor can determine if you have a latex allergy or if you are at risk of developing a latex allergy. What products contain natural rubber latex? Latex is a common component of many medical and dental supplies. These include disposable gloves, dental dams, airway and intravenous tubing, syringes, stethoscopes, catheters, dressings, and bandages. Latex is also found in many consumer products. These include condoms, handbags, balloons, shoes, tires, tools, underwear, leg and wristband, rubber toys, baby bottles, nipples, and pacifiers. What triggers the allergic reaction to latex? When people with latex allergy come to direct contact with latex, an allergic reaction may follow. Common examples include a medical or dental procedure conducted by healthcare workers wearing natural rubber latex gloves. Blowing up a rubber balloon. Causes in details. In a latex allergy, your immune system identifies latex as a harmful substance and triggers certain antibodies to fight it off. The next time you are exposed to latex, then the antibodies tell your immune system to release histamine and other chemicals into your bloodstream, producing a range of allergic signs and symptoms. The most times you are exposed to latex, the more strongly your immune system is likely to respond. This is called sensation. Latex allergy can occur in these ways. Direct contact. The most common cause of latex allergy involving touching latex containing products including latex gloves, condoms, and balloons. Inhalation. Latex produces especially gross released latex particles which you can breathe in when they come in airborne. The amount of airborne latex from gloves differs greatly depending on the brand of gloves used. It's possible to have other skin reaction when using latex. They include allergic contact dermatitis. The reaction results from the chemical additives used during the manufacturing. The main sign of skin rashes, which formation of blisters 24 to 48 hours after exposure, similar to poison ivy. Irritant contact dermatitis. Not an allergy. This skin irritation is caused by wearing rubber gloves or exposure to the powder inside them. Signs and symptoms include dry, itchy, irritated areas, usually on the hands. Symptoms. Mild symptoms. Mild latex allergy symptoms include itching, skin redness, hives or rashes. More severe symptoms include sneezing, running nose, itchy water eyes, scratchy throat, difficulty in breathing, wheezing and cough. Life-threatening symptoms. Anaphylaxis. The most serious allergic reaction to latex is anaphylaxis, which can be deadly. An anaphylactic reaction develops immediately after latex exposure in high sensitive people, but it rarely happens in the first time you are exposed. Signs and symptoms of anaphylaxis include difficulty in breathing, hives or swelling, nausea and vomiting, wheezing, drop in blood pressure, dizziness, loss of consciousness, confusion, rapid or weak pulse. Thank you.